Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel where we do beauty, city living, lifestyle, and positivity. Today's video is going to be none other than an apartment tour. Today we're touring the Solera apartments. So they're in downtown Denver, right next to the Coors Field. Like I'm literally looking at it right now. This unit is a 2-bedroom and I'm not 100% sure on the pricing, but it kind of smells like cat litter in here, so just a heads up. I don't know if it's always like that, but this place honestly is really pretty. The way that they have it staged is so cute. Like honestly, it helps you kind of decide how you may want things to look and stuff. So it kind of helps you in that aspect, but I can't wait for you guys to tour this place with me. Yeah, let's just get straight into it.
Okay, so here's the red pin where the Solera apartments are, and as you can see, it's in LODO. They are literally close to pretty much everything. It's a couple of blocks away from Coors Field, a few blocks away from Larimer Square. There's a King Soopers down here, and there's one even closer up here. There's a bunch of parks all around that you can take your dog to, or you can just walk your dog through the city, because I love walking through the city and looking at all of the big buildings. There are so many restaurants close by. You can see all of these different places that you have the option of going to if you don't feel like cooking that night. Chop House Brewery is really delicious, and so is the Pig in the Sprout. I love the Pig in the Sprout. It's so good for like a Sunday brunch. Bomb. They have bottomless mimosas and they're so good. The Cherry Cricket is also a really another popular place that a lot of people like to go to. And then of course, if you're a big baseball fan, Coors Field, you know, you can just walk to the games and not have to worry about paying for Ubers or whatever it may be. You can even take the scooters. But yeah, that's where the Solera apartments are.
I should have brought like a cardigan or something so that you guys didn't have to see me in the exact same outfit 4 videos in a row. But at least we're getting 4 videos done for you guys today. Okay, so this is the front door. We're just gonna do it vlog style right away. I just walked in. I haven't seen anything except this. So far it looks pretty good. The guy downstairs is really nice. I think he's bored down there because he's asked me both times that I've come in if I want him to just give me the tour. I'm like, no. Okay, so first door. Okay, so full-size washer and dryer. It's by the front door, which I feel like they're usually kind of by the front door, except mine is like in the back by my bedroom. But you have a pretty big coat closet here, and also you have smart locks, so that's super nice. You just enter a code. The way that they always have these are super cute. I really like this place. What? This is the Solera. We're gonna go into this bathroom here. Oh, everything is like automatic. So you have your standard bathtub shower. This is like honestly kind of cute because I feel like you don't really see these kinds of sinks very often. And I feel like it adds a whole vibe. It sounds like somebody just tried to unlock the door. Kind of smells like cats. That is not concrete. I thought it was concrete, but it's not. First bedroom, you have these like fan switches. We have them at my apartment as well. Super nice. You can kind of control the temperature a little bit more. You definitely have enough room for a nightstand. This is a full-size bed. Yeah, pretty sure this is a full-size bed. So you could fit a queen in here for sure. And honestly, probably a king, but it would probably be just like a little bit tight. So I would recommend a full or a queen. Pretty standard, like, you know what? They didn't give me any fees again. I'm gonna have to do the fees at home. This is a pretty big bedroom for sure. You have so much room. There's a freaking chair over there. And then you just have a standard closet. I mean, I love closets. Closets are so important to me. So there's no way I can fit all my clothes in there. 100%. Like I could fit my jackets in that closet and that's it. know how to open appliances. Shut up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I like the kitchen. It's a very open kind of layout and feeling. You have your bar here, so you can get some bar stools like they have, and you can just have people sit here while you're cooking dinner and like entertain them, or they can even sit in the living room and you can entertain them from the kitchen. But where would you put your TV? I guess right there would be the only spot. I love this apartment actually, you guys. There's so much natural light in here. There's windows literally all along all of the walls pretty much, and they're not small windows, they're big. And then also I'm pretty sure these are quartz countertops with a glass stove top, so that is also a bonus, except I have a glass stove top right now. They can get like super kind of not cute, like super easy. I really like the stovetops that have like the grill looking things on top, but glass stovetops are still really nice. I think I literally have the exact, no I don't, but it's similar. Oh, let's see, I feel like, no, they're not soft close. They look like they would be, but this would be kind of hard for me to grab because my nails are so long. Standard microwave. You have your full-size sink on the other side. My arm is getting tired. Okay. You have your full-size sink and a dishwasher, and then you honestly have a pretty big space for like a dining area. Maybe you can get a table like this, or you can get like a smaller table, or do something else that's super cute with this area. Let's go out on the balcony. Oh my God. Yo, am I stupid and weak? Okay, literally. How sad. It's so hot outside today. It's literally like 93 degrees, but I honestly kind of like this balcony. It's overlooking the street. You have the stadium right there, Coors Field rather. I like this view. It's not bam in your face city, but you still get like city buildings and stuff like that. So that building right there, this black one right here, looks good. You look sleek. Let's go check out the other bedroom. This is the only unit that they had available for me to tour. Oh, okay. So this bedroom is huge. You can absolutely fit a king size in here. Literally, holy heck. You can fit 2 nightstands, and you can definitely fit a dresser. I'm gonna say right now though, I wish that this window was bigger, and I wish that there was another window here because it's kind of dark in this room. But ooh, the bathroom, and I like this rug. I have to touch it. It's nice and soft. Full size. Yo, it really smells like cats in here, like cat litter. Why does it smell like that? Full size vanity, okay? So you have the his and her sinks, that's super nice, and you have a nice stand-in shower. Oh my God. Okay. So I like the closet actually, like it's kind of cute. Like you have this area over here, you can put your laundry basket, and then you have this area over here where you can hang your clothes. Still would not fit all my clothes. That's just me. And I'm assuming this door here, this little tiny door here, is a towel closet. What a tiny door. Yo, you guys, it like really smells like cat litter in here. I don't like it, or like a cat box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, become a member of my squad, and don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up because that lets me know that you guys like apartment hunting videos. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, goodbye. Okay. So 150 for parking.
Yep, and then the deposit's $500.
Okay.
So you'll pay $260 when you apply, just because the application fee is $10.
Okay.
And then you'll pay the second $250 on the day you move in, and then there's a $250 admin fee.
Okay.
Do you have any pets by chance?
He's an ESA.
Okay, so you don't have to worry about that, which is good because that's the expensive part.
Yeah. How much is it?
It's like $300 deposit, $300 fee, and then $35 a month for rent.
Okay.
And then as far as monthly like utilities go, we don't do valet trash. There's a trash chute on every floor, so that's an additional $25.
Yeah, I
a
walked
month
past
you don't
that.
have to worry about. It's probably going to be around, let's say, probably $60-$70 a month for all your utilities.
Okay.
So that'd be water, sewer, gas, trash, and electric, and then probably like $70 for internet. And that's all
Okay.
you
Yeah,
pay.
that's what I